zeros of a polynomial. In this module, you will learn zeros of a polynomial. Look at this polynomial p of x. If we replace x by 5 in this polynomial, we get 4. We say that the value of function p of x at x is equal to 1 is 4. Similarly, the value of function p of x at x equal to 0 is -2. Now look at this linear polynomial. If we replace x by 1 in this polynomial, we get 0. Such values of the variable which make the value of a given polynomial 0 are called zeros of the polynomial. Here, this polynomial has only one 0. Next, look at this quadratic polynomial. If we find zeros of this polynomial, we get 2 and 0. It has 2 zeros. Now look at the constant polynomial 5. It can be expressed as 5 into x raised to the power 0. If we replace x by any number, we still get 5. Thus, a non-zero constant polynomial. Now what about the zeros of a zero polynomial? 0 can be expressed as 0 into x raised to the power 0. If we replace x by any number, we always get 0. So every real number is a zero of the zero polynomial. Now let's understand what roots of a polynomial are. Again, look at the zero of the polynomial x minus 1. Observe that we can also obtain the zero of the polynomial by equating it to 0. In such a case, we say x minus 1 equals 0 is a polynomial equation and its root is 1. In this module, you have learnt that the values of the variable which make the value of a given polynomial 0 are called zeros of that polynomial. A linear polynomial has one 0. A quadratic polynomial has 2 zeros. A constant polynomial has no zeros. Every real number is a zero of the zero polynomial. When we find the zeros of a polynomial by equating it to 0, then the equation formed is called a polynomial equation, and the zeros are known as the root of the polynomial equation.